Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an English Proverbs quiz. Before moving on, let's see what actually a proverb is. A proverb is a short and simple saying that gives us advice, teaches life lessons, and shared truths about life. Where do proverbs come from? They come from real life experiences and are passed down from one generation to another. Now let's look at some examples. Don't judge a book by its cover. It means don't judge people or things just by how they look. Look before you leap. It means think carefully before making a decision. Now let's move on to the quiz. Question 1. A stitch in time saves dash. The correct option is B. A stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9 means fixing a small problem early can stop it from becoming a big problem later. Question 2. Little drops of water make a mighty dash. The correct option is D. Little drops of water make a mighty ocean. It means doing small things again and again can slowly turn into something big over time. Question 3. Don't count your chickens before they dash. The correct option is C. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. It means don't make plans based on something that hasn't happened yet. Question 4. Honesty is the best dash. The correct option is A. Policy. Honesty is the best policy. It means telling the truth is always the right and safest thing to do. Question 5. Actions speak louder than dash. The correct option is B. Words. Actions speak louder than words. It means what you do is more important than what you say. Question 6. When there's a will, there's a dash. The correct option is D. Way. When there's a will, there's a way. It means if you truly want something, you will find a way to get it. Question 7. All that glitters is not dash. The correct option is C. Gold. All that glitters is not gold. It means not everything that looks good is actually good or valuable. Question 8. Practice makes man dash. The correct option is A. Perfect. Practice makes man perfect. Which means doing something again and again helps you become better at it. Question 9. Better late than dash. The correct option is B. Never. Better late than never. It means it's better to do something late than not doing it at all. Question 10. Two heads are better than dash. The correct option is D. 1. Two heads are better than one, which means working with someone else is often better than working alone. Question 11. Don't put all your eggs in one dash. The correct option is C. Basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, which means don't risk everything on one thing. Spread your chances. Question 12. Rome wasn't built in a dash. The correct option is A. Day. Rome wasn't built in a day, which means big things take time, so be patient and keep going. Question 13. The early bird catches the dash. The correct option is B. Worm. The early bird catches the worm, which means if you act early, you have a better chance of success. Question 14. A friend in need is a friend dash. The correct option is D. Indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed, which means a true friend helps you when you are in trouble. Question 15. You can't judge a book by its dash. The correct option is C. You can't judge a book by its cover, which means you shouldn't decide what something is like just by how it looks. Question 16. Look before you dash. The correct option is A. Leap. Look before you leap, which means to think carefully before you do something. Question 17. Too many cooks spoil the dash. The correct option is B. Broth. Too many cooks spoil the broth, which means that if too many people try to help, it can make things worse. Question 18. An apple a day keeps the dash away. The correct option is D. Doctor. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, which means eating healthy food helps you stay well and avoid sickness. Question 19. When in Rome, do as the dash do. The correct option is C, Romans. When in Rome, do as the Romans do, which means to follow the customs of the place you are in. Question 20. A penny saved is a penny dash. The correct option is A, earned. A penny saved is a penny earned, which means saving money is just as important as earning it. That's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. I'll see you next time. Bye.